Yo guys, welcome back to another vlog. You're moving with yours truly. Right now, we just touched down. Where is it? Motua? Oh, Salive. We heading to Rio Seco Waterfall. This is the team here. Vikash, Shiva, Dinesh, and we are about to head into the waterfall now. So guys, 1 minute into the walk and these guys talking about Y2K already. What's them?
Y2 can water.
Y2 can water. They still are healthy. We are approximately 10 minutes into the hike. We're almost there guys, I can hear the waterfall. The river is right there. I'm done, Ajitar.
Why? You see that hill? Watch back there. I know around that hill. Come Shiva, right up there.
Come Shiva.
One run. All them legs did yesterday.
Guys, we just reached, heading down now. If you look behind me there, you'll see the waterfall. Guys, it's freezing cold. It's a minus 100 degrees Celsius here right now. This is how it was. Just down there. Now we're up here. Section and it goes all the way upstream.
Jump in the hard part. I can do it.
Yeah. We gotta get back to bed, you know.
Shiva, you can do it?
Guys, we are currently heading out. Finish, take our little bath. Cool now, wet. And I don't know how it go. Come down there, there you go. We just finished since we're going through a kind of rough road. Everybody just holding on.
Yeah, true, man. Ladies and get for a photo. Yeah, on my, you do it coming inside there, man.